Hi, I'm gardening expert Mark Cullen, and one of the most commonly asked gardening questions is, how do I control the weeds in my lawn? And the answer is to have a good quality, thick, healthy lawn. Compete weeds out of existence using good quality grass seed. I recommend this new product called ProMix Ultimate All-Condition Grass Seed with Mycoactive. It was developed for Canadian conditions. As a matter of fact, the grass seed will germinate in temperatures as low as 4 degrees Celsius. Once it puts down a root and it thickens up your lawn, it'll come up twice as thick as traditional grass seed. In warmer temperatures, try ProMix Weed Defense Grass Seed with Mycoactive. Now here's a product that naturally repels weeds as it establishes itself. Whether you're thickening an established lawn and trying to push weeds out of the way, or you're establishing a brand new lawn, either one of these two products work beautifully. And remember this, the quality of your lawn is in the bag. The pedigree of the lawn you enjoy over the next 2, 3, or 5 years is in the bag of grass seed that you purchase today. So make sure you buy good quality grass seed. I recommend ProMix Ultimate All-Condition Grass Seed with Mycoactive and ProMix Weed Defense Grass Seed with Mycoactive. New products for Canadian lawns.